I was so excited, like my first time.
Why you cannot stay longer? Ceritain dong, kenapa dia nggak bisa?
New Year and Christmas, so good. He was so warm. I'm always feeling here like at home.
What you miss when you will go to Russia? What you will miss from Indonesia? Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya.
Nah, hari ini saya dan Ana mau ngomong tentang subjek apa ya, Ana? What do we want to talk about today? About something very sad.
Yeah, soon I'm leaving Indonesia.
Jadi ini video farewell Ana, video terakhir sama Ana. Sayang banget dia sebentar lagi mau balik ke Rusia. Oke. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa subscribe, dan loncengnya juga ya.
Nabula's Adventure.
Okay, so Anuta, how was your second experience in Indonesia? Bagaimana experience kedua Ana di Indonesia?
I was so excited, like my first time. No, maybe first time I was more excited, but now yeah, I waited this moment 5 months.
Jadi dia tunggu balik kali ini kedua ke Indonesia.
5 bulan, iya.
Akhirnya balik tapi cuma sebentar, 3 bulan waktu sekarang.
Yeah, and after I came, and you know who meet me in airport?
Siapa Pika? Ana dari bendara saya dan tutor.
Yeah, I was so happy, I wasn't shocked, it was so nice.
Karena dia belum tahu kita mau jemput dari bendara, dia kayak salah keluar Ana dari bendara. Terus aku dan tutor lari. Anak kayak bingung banget. Nanti kita kasih lihat fotonya ya. I will give them the photo. Oh, lucu banget.
I'm in Indonesia. I'm so happy. I'm in Jakarta. Welcome. See you soon.
Fast, tapi the time flies so fast.
Time flies really. I waited so long time this moment. I'm call every day to Tina.
Ya, kita pas dia di Rusia selama 5 bulan itu kita WhatsApp setiap hari dan video call. Kalau nggak setiap hari, minimal 2 kali seminggu ya. Like if we don't call every day, at least twice a week.
Yeah,
for sure.
But yeah, we text each other every day. I waited this moment so much. And after finally I came.
Iya, tapi sekarang sebentar lagi. Sayang banget ya. She cannot stay longer. Tapi Ana, why you cannot stay longer? Ceritain dong. Kenapa dia nggak bisa lebih lama?
I'm a student.
Jadi dia masih kuliah, masih mahasiswa. Jadi Ana harus balik ke Rusia. Ada exam. Dia udah pamit 3 bulan lalu. Dia mau ke Indonesia dulu. Dan ya waktu sekarang udah selesai, sebentar lagi dia punya exam gitu ya.
Exams when I will come back to Russia.
Langsung dia dari Indonesia 2-3 hari tunggu lagi dan langsung ke university buat ujian. So how long are you still studying?
2 more years.
Jadi dia masih kuliah 2 tahun lagi?
Iya.
2 tahun lagi, okay. But you have plans to come back to Indonesia?
For sure, I don't know when, but I want.
Belum tentu kapan dia balik, tapi pasti balik.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, I cannot give. Of course, I miss you so
Jadi dia
much.
pasti mau balik. Ana, but I need to ask you. When you are here, in these 3 months, what did you miss from Russia?
What I missed from Russia?
Jadi aku tanya Ana, selama dia 3 bulan di sini, dia rindu apa dari Rusia?
So it was New Year and Christmas. And of course, I little bit miss snow, like because it's like Christmas
Feeling, yeah.
No, not so much. I'm so happy here. Summer, so good. Yeah, it's very good that I came. What else? No, like here, not different like traditions.
Iya, jadi dia bilang karena budayanya sangat beda, dia karena kayak dikit kaget gitu pas Natal dan Tahun Baru di sini di Indonesia. Tapi tetap suka. Ya, jadi kita makan beda dari rumah dan mungkin dia ya pasti rindu makanannya dan keluarga ya, your family too.
Yeah, just family. But only family, because another things was so happy for me because everything was new. My first Christmas, my first New Year, another country, so nice.
Yay,
So
jadi Ana senang sekali di sini dan
I will remember it all my life. Really.
and then what you miss when you will go to Russia, what you will miss from Indonesia?
From Indonesia.
Kayak nanti waktu balik ke Rusia, dia nanti akan rindu apa dari Indonesia?
This free feeling. Yeah,
Free
like,
feeling,
yeah.
free feeling itu kalau bahasa Indonesia aku belum tahu translate-nya.
This
I don't
freedom,
know. Freedom, yeah.
and like yeah, my soul, my heart here feeling good, and like I'm always like relaxed, santai. I already say it so 100
Jadi anak di
times.
sini paling santai, dia bilang nggak pernah marah, dia setiap hari senang karena setiap hari belajar sesuatu baru atau ya begitu.
I
Jadi
miss of course my Indonesian family.
oh, kok jadi dia bilang
You're Romanian, I know. But yeah, it's
jadi dia
another
bilang nanti
friends.
akan rindu juga keluarga di Indonesia dia, tapi aku bilang tuh keluarga Indonesia, aku orang Rumania. Tapi bukan sih, ya tinggal di Indonesia kan, jadi ya nanti dia rindu kita semua di sini maksudnya, karena saya udah 4 bulan juga kan, udah tinggal di Indonesia jadi orang Indonesia lah.
Yeah.
Seperti ya.
And I will miss our adventure times.
Iya, jadi dia bilang pasti rindu juga pas kita bikin YouTube videos ya.
Yeah,
I will miss you too.
me too.
Itu serunya sih. Kalau lagi bikin video sama Ana pasti seru banget selalu.
Yeah, and I wanna tell to everyone, terima kasih banyak semua. I'm so happy you're always watching our video, comment, like, yeah, and so many good comments, like warm.
Ana selalu
words,
baca
yeah.
komen-komen yang dari YouTube dan nanti mungkin kalau ada kayak goodbye message untuk Ana pasti baca, kita pasti baca juga message itu, tapi buat Ana aja ya biar dia balik ke Rusia. Selesai itu exam dan akan dia balik ya. Oke?
Yeah, okay.
Don't be emotional. Not yet.
Not yet. Belum.
Okay, but like from food, will you miss anything when you will go back to Russia?
Yes.
Ana fun berat itu buah, dia makan buah 3 kali sehari, kayak banyak banget, dan you're eating, I'm telling that you're eating so many fruits, Indonesian fruits.
Fruits, yeah, and I will miss nasi goreng, I will miss tahu and tempe, gado-gado.
Gado-gado.
Yeah,
I know. Enak sekali.
Yeah, no, so many good things, what can I say? Coconut.
Jadi dia bilang ya karena mungkin rasa lidahnya masih beda banget ya sama dari mungkin Russian kitchen ke Indonesian kitchen, tapi ya ada beberapa yang ya pasti kita semua kan favorit gitu. Favoritnya Ana nasi goreng. Tahu nggak siapa?
Gado-gado.
Gado-gado. Favorit saya apa ya?
I know.
Don't say.
Okay.
Dan itu answer, nanti tulis di komentar ya kalau tahu ya.
Iya.
Huh?
Pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng. You forgot about
Ya
pisang
kan?
goreng ya kan? Dan martabak.
Martabak, pisang goreng. Ya
Ya ampun, Ana. Roti coklat.
Roti coklat, our favorite.
You will not have in Russia, then you don't have in Domart in Russia.
Yeah, the Mart. We always walk with Martina Buleto in the Mart. Yeah, doing
Aku
groceries together.
Iya betul, lo groceries. Nanti akan siapa bantu saya groceries lagi? No, I'm kidding, tapi ya. Thank you so much for coming back.
Thank you so much for you waiting me, and it was best time. Thank you so much for your house, for your. You was so kind always. Like it was my best holidays. I will
Bukan aku
remember
yang
us
kind,
together
dia yang
always
paling
forever.
kind, paling seneng setiap hari, dan Ana ya lihat orang begitu seneng dan positif banget setiap hari, bikin kita juga, saya Bayu Tudor selalu seneng. Tudor aja sayang banget sama Ana ya, he loves you so
I
much.
love him so much. Like when I'm in Russia, I have my brother, my little brother. When I'm here in Indonesia, I have Tudor and my another little brother. So I love him so much.
I
Saya
love you too,
cinta Tudorini, cinta. Yeah, thank you so much for your So good. He was so warm. I'm always feeling here like at home.
Oh, and we are waiting you to come back home then.
Terima kasih banyak.
Thank you so much, Anuta. Safe flight.
Terima kasih banyak.
Be formal.
Iya, formal.
Oke, formal.
Safe flight.
Sampai ketemu lagi
Oke.
di video selanjutnya.
Dadah.
Oke, bye.
Bye.
Jalan-jalan go.
To airport. Bye bye.
Oke lah, jadi kita udah dulu ya begini pengalaman Ana di Indonesia selama 3 bulan ini. Nanti beberapa bulan lagi dia akan balik ke Indonesia dan semoga dia balik dan kita bikin banyak video lagi, oke?
Oke.
Nanti bisa follow Ana di Instagram, cek Instagramnya Ana ya, biar lihat aktivitas Ana di sana ya. Oke, nanti kita ada link di bawah juga Instagramnya.
Yeah. And don't forget to check Mbak Tina Bulia video, comment, like,
Subscribe,
follow,
dong.
subscribe dong.
Ya, jadi nanti kalau ada yang rindu Ana bisa lo cari di Instagramnya Ana dan siapa tahu mungkin nanti Ana bisa bikin YouTube sendiri juga.
Apa?
Ya udahlah begitu aja. Oke, lebih bagus dia yang ngerti semua. Sekali lagi kalau ada message buat Ana minta tulis di komentar atau mungkin mau private message on Instagram biar follow juga, siapa tahu ya. Jadi kita udah dulu ya karena Ana harus siap-siap mau ke bandara. Oke?
Oke. Kalau suka video ini Kalau suka video ini, jangan lupa subscribe,
Like
dan komen. Terima kasih banyak.
dan loncengnya juga.
Iya.
Terima kasih banyak. Sampai jumpa di
Video selanjutnya. Dadah.